Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to spot where we cut through the hype and get real about what's worth your time and skin. Today, we're looking at something that's pretty much a staple in the anti-aging skincare world, the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Face Moisturizer with SPF 30. This little jar promises to tackle fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, all with a dose of retinol and hyaluronic acid, plus sunscreen protection. Let's unpack what's really going on here. So here's the deal. This is a 1.7-ounce jar of a daily face and neck cream that pairs pure retinol, which, as many of you know, is a dermatologist's favorite form of vitamin A, with hyaluronic acid, that superstar hydrator. It's designed to visibly smooth skin texture, reduce fine lines and dark spots, and boost hydration. On top of that, it includes a broad-spectrum SPF 30 to shield your skin from sun damage, which is crucial because sun exposure can totally undo your anti-aging efforts. And importantly, it's dermatologist-tested and free from parabens, mineral oil, and dyes, which is always a plus for sensitive skin. When I first incorporated this moisturizer into my routine, I appreciated how lightweight and non-greasy it felt. The texture absorbs fairly quickly, which means you can apply makeup over it without waiting too long. I used it mostly in the morning because of the SPF, but I found it gentle enough to layer with my usual nighttime products too. Over the week, my skin did feel plumper and smoother, and I noticed that my dark spots seemed a bit less prominent. Though, to be fair, those results tend to take some time with retinol products. After 4 weeks, there was definitely a visible improvement in fine lines around my eyes and forehead. The sunscreen is a great addition here, providing that daily protection that many of us often skip. Now, the product isn't perfect. For one, the jar packaging isn't the most hygienic for retinol products. Air exposure can degrade active ingredients over time. A pump bottle might be a better choice to maintain product efficacy. Also, if you have super sensitive skin or are brand new to retinol, you might experience some initial dryness or irritation, so introducing it gradually is key. Plus, at just 1.7 ounces, this cream can run out quickly if you're using it daily on both face and neck. On the upside, it's a pretty balanced formula that combines effective ingredients without overcomplicating your routine. The retinol is at a beginner-friendly concentration, making it accessible for those hesitant about jumping straight into stronger treatments. And the added SPF 30 is a smart move that reinforces sun protection, a non-negotiable in any anti-aging regimen. Looking at the price, it lands in the moderate range for drugstore retinol creams. Given the combination of clinically backed ingredients and the SPF inclusion, it does offer solid value. You're essentially getting a 2-in-1 product: anti-aging treatment plus daily sun protection. That said, if you're after a larger quantity or more specialized formulas, think encapsulated retinol for better stability or added antioxidants, there are pricier options out there. But for a solid, straightforward entry-level retinol moisturizer, this hits the mark. Comparing it to some other retinol moisturizers, Neutrogena's formula is less likely to irritate, which is a plus for beginners. Some competitors pack higher retinol percentages but can be harsher. Others might skip the SPF, requiring you to add a separate sunscreen. So the convenience factor here is notable. The build quality is standard drugstore fare. The glass jar feels sturdy, but, as I mentioned, a more airtight packaging would be preferable to preserve the retinol's potency longer. Neutrogena as a brand has a solid reputation for dermatological science, and while I haven't personally dealt with their customer service, they generally maintain good responsiveness and reliability. If you're budget conscious, alternatives like The Ordinary's Granactive Retinoid or CeraVe's Skin Renewing Retinol Serum offer effective retinol at lower prices but without built-in SPF, so keep that in mind. If you want a product with all-in-one convenience, Neutrogena's moisturizer stands out. So is this review helpful to you? If yes, please hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover honest reviews like this. Your support means the world and keeps Beautyistic going strong. To wrap up, Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Face Moisturizer is a solid choice for those easing into retinol with the bonus of daily sun protection. It smooths, hydrates, and protects without overwhelming sensitive skin types. If you're just starting your anti-aging journey, or want a simple, effective product backed by dermatologists, this one is definitely worth considering. But if you're looking for more advanced formulations or prefer more hygienic packaging, you might want to explore other options. Thanks so much for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you've tried this moisturizer, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.